up guys, what's going on? It's your boy Graphics. Guess what? Yet another Christmas design and just open up the member of the design. Guess what? Brought you good news. So what's up guys, welcome back. It's about 2 to 3 months now no video on my channel. I'm glad to be back with this video, and if you are interested or if this interests you, just kindly leave a like on this video as you watch. So let's dive in. We'll be using Corel Draw for this work. As you can see, my elements are here on the left hand side. No need to stress myself, and the reason why I put the design here is that so that our work will be fast, so that I will not crack my head to do anything outside what I've done already. This is what I want to show you, and let's dive right now. So the first thing we'll do is, I would like to have my page, and what we'll be using, the size of the page we'll be using is 6 by 6 inches. So the height will be 6 and the length will be what, 6 by 6 by 6 inches. This is it. Okay, and the reason why I'm having this grid line there is just to guide me on where I should not exceed from. Okay, and I'll give it a white color. Give that a white color, and then these resources, I'll be linking these resources down. You can have access to my drive so that you can get the resources, so that you can try yours as well. Alright, so I'll power clip this, then scale it up a little. I think I should bring it down a little. Alright, and then I'll clip this also. Alright, then what I'll do next, you can see that this scene is overlapping with the Christmas flower there. So what I'll do is I'll do control page down, then it's down now. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is, the reason why I'm doing all this thing, fixing all this thing before I start writing the text, is because it's the way I've already planned everything to be. That's why you see me working on the background and everything before I start putting on the text. So I'll clip this one. So I think I should scale it up a little, then I'll clip. Okay, I think this should be okay around here. Alright, and then the name of the association who I'm doing this for, I'll bring it up here. Sorry guys, I don't want this video to be long, that's why I've already dropped everything here so that this video will not be long. Okay, I'll just try to edit some things here. Okay, this one a little bit up. Okay, then I think I should bring a grid line here so that it will guide me on this part. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is, I think I should bring this thing here up. Sorry, I'll bring this one here up, copy here, page up, page up. I think I have this here. Then hold Alt while I select this inside here, and then I'll bring it down a little, and then okay. And then what I will type next is wishing you then the font I will use for this, I think which font to use for this. think let's use headwording script. That's great. And let me zoom so that you can see. Go down a little, scale it up. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll type Mary. The font I will use for that is Futura bold, and then the size of the font I think I'll use 16 or so. Yeah, 16 will be okay. Then I'll type in Christmas. Sorry. Right. I think I should make the first letter capital letter. Okay. Then the font I'll use is Euphorigenic. That is the font name. Okay. Scale it up and then bring it here. Bring it here. Okay. Sorry. Then what I'll do is I'll fill this with a red color by giving it a gradient color. That is, press G on your keyboard to activate the gradient fill. Scale it up, and I'll fill this with I think a lighter red. Then fill this part with little bit dark red. Okay, I think this is good. And then what I'll do is this Mary, I would like to transform it a little. I think okay, I'll pick up my shape tool and then just transform this to this. Okay. I should reduce the font. Okay, then I'll draw a rectangle around here. Then I'll pick up this Christmas, just right click down and then bring it to the top of this rectangle, and then you leave it, and then you see copy fill here. I'll copy the fill. Then I have to remove the outline for that rectangle. And then what I'll do there is I'll type let me reduce the font. Prosperous 2023. Okay, use Futura for that, Futura bold. Okay, use the font a little. I think I should use 10 for that. Then I will be using a white color there. White color, then I'll pick up my shape tool to track it. Alright. And then I will type the quotes which I've been given, and let me just copy it from here. Just bring it up here. Copy here. Then scale it up a little. Then the last thing we'll be doing in this design is I will just draw a rectangle, then fill that with the red color, copy fill here, then remove the outline. I think I'll power clip this to the down part of this design. Okay, hold Alt while you select what's inside the okay. I think it's okay. And then the next thing I'll do here is I think let me adjust this part and bring this down. Alright, the last part, the down part here, I would like to draw a rectangle here, filling that with the yellow color, remove the outline, and then I think I'll give it a little shadow effect. Okay, we reduce the feather to 9, and then okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, like this, and then I will just type I'll just bring out this 25th here, 25th December, just scale it up, scale it up a little, and then we have this. Okay, and then I think we should give our design a final touch by checking where. Okay, I think let me increase this a little bit so that it can be visible. Okay, and then I will group everything together now, but first I'll remove the outline of this page, and then I'll group everything together, and then our work is ready. So if this interests you, kindly leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in this channel I help graphic designers grow, and if you don't want to miss out from any of my video, kindly subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you. Sure.
Hey God. What? Hey, you get PSP now? Yes. But I'll give my son.
But I know some set and all those things.
I sabi set it. The one we use for this phone, you don't use them again.
Yeah?
Now what do you use?
I don't export that one entirely already.
Wait, you still use that one?
Yeah?
You still use that one?
Why is they misbehave now?
Why not meta ads? Meta ads.
Meta. Who deleted all this thing now?
No, I don't have my own phone. Too much is around.
Like what and what and what?
My own phone. Different app, as if I don't see anyone like I just connect. Different new things, so I don't even use. Even games so I don't play again. Yeah, like more than 7 games. Well, I have to go on the one to play. The rest I will do.
For more eating sub now.
For you know. 2023.
Yes, if you in there.